How to share your TikTok profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your TikTok profile. So first thing you're gonna do is go to TikTok. Now go to your profile and you see this three bond up there. Tap on there. Tap on the second option, setting and privacy. And now there is a lot of options. Tap on the option number 6, share profile. And now you can share your profile to WhatsApp or Facebook or copy link, or you can send your profile to email or others. And this is how you share your profile. And this is our video. Hope you like it and it was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.